Hey everybody, welcome to 102 Online for the Fall 21 semester. I want to welcome you and give you a heads up about what the course entails. The first thing is just be sure that you have to go through all the modules week to week to understand the flow of everything. It's important to open them all up, to read them, to understand them before you move on. Now, 102 is an Introduction to Literature course. What that means is that I'm going to introduce you to 4 literary genres. They basically mean short and long fiction as one, poetry, drama, and then a novel, a long piece of fiction at the end of the class. There are 4 again that we're dealing with, and you'll write an essay based on each one. Those essays will be total about 80% of your grade, each one worth 20%. You also have 10% responsibility for discussions, and they're very important, and a 10% responsibility for your midterm. Look, you're going to get the most out of this by reading and reflecting. That is your very first process, to read everything in its entirety, to think about it, to think about what it means to you. And the most important process for your growth after that is to go ahead and share your thoughts and discussions with students. The more you interact, the better. The more you think outside with others in discussions, I think the more that you'll pick up because of the differing perspectives. Now, I don't expect you to understand everything from the beginning, so what I do, especially the first 3-4 weeks of the course, before we get thick into Shakespeare, is to give you what I call kind of an Unlocking the Mysteries of Literature lecture on a screencast like this that'll be posted at the end of every week, beginning with week 1. We'll start with a Carver piece and then move on to the Rulfo piece, and eventually with the Fuentes piece, I'm hoping that we'll have a Zoom session together so you can get to know me a little bit and discuss that really beautiful, really rich, and really difficult piece of literature. So welcome for now. Go ahead and get started reading Carver. I think you'll really like his minimalist style, and do your best to answer the questions for the essay for week 1. If you need anything from me, my office hours are from 8 to 1 on Thursdays. So please feel free to reach out or make an appointment if you want to visit with me one-on-one. Look forward to working with you. All right. Let's have a good semester, everybody. See you soon.